As the Cy-Fair Bobcats kept their season going with last week's by-district victory over Nimitz, it also extended the coaching career of Woody Champagne, who is retiring at the end of this season after an amazing 40-year tenure as a head high school baseball coach, the last 34 of them for the Cy-Fair Bobcats.
A lot of great players. I've had a lot of great coaches. This school is amazing. A lot of great principals, great people to work for. I also coach football, so that was some great experiences there. But I just love this place. It's just something about this place that I just love, and I just never wanted to leave.
In his 40-year coaching career, Coach Champagne has amassed 623 career victories, including a 5A state championship in 2007. He joins an elite and prestigious group of Texas baseball coaches who've exceeded the 600-win plateau.
What do you attribute that type of success to?
Well, I'd tell you longevity, being lucky, being blessed. Again, being in the job as long as I have, 40 years is a long time. Being a head coach that whole time, you just start stacking them up. It's hard to do in today's time, with coaches moving around and people, seeing a guy in a business for 40 years is kind of strange. But it's just, I've had a great ride and it's been a lot of fun, and I contributed, just a lot of good things.
A lot of great things, most of which have occurred here at Cy-Fair.
Well, I think in baseball, going in the state tournament in 1984, in the 2000s, winning about 6 district titles in a row. We were pretty dominant. You were team of the week with you a few times. Winning the state tournament in 2007. We have 3 of those guys off that team still in pro ball. Robbie was playing with the Astros for a while. But it's, just being around the kids.
And many of those kids were on hand when the Cy-Fair School District paid tribute to Champagne just before the final home game of the regular season.
It was just great having my family here. My son said some very nice words about me. It was tough.
A tough yet heartfelt farewell to a true coaching legend at Cy-Fair High School.